everyone, you are the most welcome in this channel. Today I am going to talk about one beautiful topic, and this topic is not my suggested because this topic is give me my one friend. Yeah, I say my all commenters, they are my friends. Okay, so let's start our video, and I think so you are interested to listen this topic. This topic is how to make a English spoken teacher. First one is every day you talk with another person and talk with yourself. So ma'am, how to talk with ourselves in English? It is a very biggest problem. So you have a mirror. You are stand on your mirror and every time talk with yourself and you watch your face action, you watch your hand movement and etc. Just like your lip sync, your words. So you are watch and you are follow your tips because you are your best friend. You know that I believe that you are your best friend, and every time you ask with yourself, what is my problem, and what is a good word, and what is a bad word, every time you discuss with yourself. Okay, so our routine first, you woke up, and what you do after woke up, you are a star, your routine is a start. So you are woke up in your bed, and after that you stretch your body, and that you are clean your bed. Every day you clean your bed, and after that you are going to washroom, and you are fresh your body and fresh your teeth, mouth, etc. And then you are come in your room and worship the God. And you are pray God, thank you God for give me this day. And after that, your routine is a start, etc. work. Okay. So working place is a very mandatory because you have more person and they are use more words. So you want to learn more words, more vocabulary and lot of sentences this time. And you are going to house to office, then you find it more products just like a tree, one tea stall shop and extra words. So this time you catch some words and learn more and more vocabulary and more sentences. Okay, so every time you thought your mind that I am a start to talk in English and I am a start to talk in English with all person. So you have any chance, you are do not stop to speak in English. You are start to speak in English this time. Okay, and I think so you are interested in this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and take care.